Changing a diesel particulate filter, or DPF, is an essential yet complex task that requires both precaution and precision. Today, we'll guide you through this process step by step, ensuring your vehicle continues to perform efficiently and environmentally friendly. Replacing a DPF may seem daunting, but with careful attention to detail, it can be accomplished successfully. Let's start with the basics. The diesel particulate filter plays a crucial role in reducing emissions from diesel engines by capturing and storing exhaust soot. Over time, this filter can become clogged, impacting engine performance and fuel efficiency. Thus, timely replacement is crucial for optimal vehicle functioning. Before beginning, gather all necessary tools and protective gear. You will need basic tools such as a wrench set, a torque wrench, and safety goggles. Ensure the vehicle is parked on a level surface and the engine is completely cooled down. Safety is paramount, so remember to secure the vehicle using wheel chocks or jacks to prevent any accidental movement. Once you're prepared, locate the diesel particulate filter. The DPF is generally situated within the exhaust system, often near the engine or the undercarriage. Consult your vehicle's manual if you have difficulty finding it. Upon locating the DPF, examine the sensor connections and any hoses or brackets securing it in place. Carefully disconnect these, noting their arrangement for reinstallation later. Next, using your wrench set, begin loosening the bolts of the flanges that connect the DPF to the exhaust system. It's important to do this gradually to avoid damaging the fittings. Once you've removed these bolts, gently slide out the DPF. Here, it's beneficial to have an assistant to help support the weight and maneuver the filter. With the old filter removed, inspect the connecting surfaces for any buildup of soot or debris. Cleaning is necessary to ensure a good seal with the new DPF. Now, position the new diesel particulate filter into place, aligning it with the exhaust system's flanges. Carefully reattach the flanges using the torque wrench to apply appropriate pressure as specified in the vehicle manual. Ensuring a secure and leak-free connection is crucial for effective functioning. Once installed, reconnect any sensors, hoses, or brackets that were detached earlier. Take extra care to ensure all connections are tight and secure, as even minor looseness can lead to malfunctions or emissions leaks. With the physical replacement complete, it's time to ensure the ECU, or engine control unit, recognizes the new DPF. This may involve resetting or recalibrating the system using a diagnostic tool. Failing to complete this step may result in persisting warning lights or performance issues. As we conclude this process, always remember to double-check your work. Start the engine and monitor for any warning lights or unusual sounds. Allow it to run for a few minutes to verify that everything is functioning smoothly. Finally, dispose of the old DPF responsibly, as these components contain materials that should not pollute our environment. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to changing a diesel particulate filter. With attention to detail and adherence to safety standards, you can maintain your vehicle's performance and contribute to a cleaner environment. Thank you for joining us, and until next time, drive safe and keep your engines efficient.